J. Caesar is an energy storage hub funded by the Department of Energy, and our job is to invent the next generation battery beyond lithium-ion. So there's some things that lithium-ion batteries cannot do well. For electric vehicles, you'd like to have the battery charge faster. You'd like to be able to drive farther on a given charge. You'd like to have it last longer, and you'd like it to be safer. We'd like to make the next generation battery be able to do all of those things better. So there are lots of energy storage challenges that remain to be solved. One of them is on the electricity grid. We're going to have to put wind and solar on the grid. They only operate when the sun shines and the wind blows, so there will be days in a row where they don't operate, and you'll need batteries to stabilize that grid system. So we would like to make a long duration discharge battery. Lithium-ion batteries, they're installed on the grid. They can discharge for about 4 to 6 hours, but no more. So we recognized in J. Caesar that challenge in 2015 and began to work on a very new kind of flow battery, the design goal of which was to discharge for many days in a row. And we developed a flow battery that indeed does that. In 2017, 2 years after we started looking at that problem, we spun off a startup company. It's called Form Energy. And they immediately went to work with our intellectual property. And earlier this year, in May of 2020, they signed their first contract to deliver a battery that would discharge at full rated power for 150 hours. To have done that in 5 years, I think is quite a remarkable achievement. When it comes to long-haul freight, when it comes to rail, when it comes to maritime shipping, that is on rivers or canals or even across the ocean, and when it comes to aviation, those are all transportation challenges that lithium-ion batteries would have a hard time addressing. So we would like to make batteries that fit those transportation and grid applications. And this is a big challenge. So batteries and energy storage are one of the main ways in which we can accomplish this goal. But we need to do better on the batteries, and that's where J. Caesar puts its effort.